Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Match characters that occur one or more times. So we have this plus character inside our regex, and what it does is that if it checks what is before it, if it's repeated consecutively of once or more. So this description was a little bit kind of confusing. So let me explain it with this example. So we have this A plus, so it'll find out, it'll return how many matches there's A at least once and consecutive. So here it matches, there's only one A, consecutive A, so it returns A. But if there's a, it's going to return A because these are consecutive inside of it. And here we're looking at AB. It's going to return, since it's global, A here and A there. And now if it's BCD, there's no A in it, so it's going to not return anything. So it's just think of consecutive, whatever we have before the plus, consecutive. So in this example, it wants you to find matches when the letters S occurs one or more times in Mississippi. And I think it's consecutively in a row. So what we want to find is the letter S here, and we add it. And now we want to look at the entire string and case insensitive. And now we have difficult spelling dot match regex. So we're going to see it's going to return SS and then SS. So an array of two values, and each one is a SS. So we can console log result, and that's what it is. Thank you so much.